Hello everyone, my name is Fendy. I'm coming from Indonesia. I study architecture in Indonesia before, in Jakarta. I'm working in the project management before. We are handling many projects in the construction industries, and also I'm working a lot with the material that we use in the construction industries. Yeah, because I heard a lot of successful story from my friends and also from other colleagues. So it's a very good chance if you can apply and then you can enroll in one of the programs in the Job Sprong. Yeah. Yes, I got the trust from my mentor, my supervisor. He allowed me to have a different kind of the training and also the meeting. So I'm contribute with every development product that they have. Yeah.